Hello, how's it going, everyone? I'm going to do a breakdown really quick on how I'm seeing the market right now. From the weekly perspective, we are bearish. Right now we are in the complex pullback of the weekly main push. So we have the main push to the downside, and we're now on the complex pullback. We can see the extreme where the price should go. We also can see from my markings already that we have high low inside the daily. We have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is the last higher high. So it's the last high to clear on the daily perspective. Inside the daily, we can see, so basically we are bullish for the daily, and after mitigating on the last low that made this high, and the last extreme, it was mitigated, and basically we are on the way up to get supposedly the next push to the extreme of the weekly. So that's my idea on what is going on now. When we look to the daily and we zoom in, we can see already that we had several breaks of the 4-hour structure. It came down, but now it already broke the 4-hour structure, so indicating that we want to go up and go back, so basically to the main push. We are also going there really quickly, so if we see this time against this time, we see that it's going fairly quickly. On the 4-hour, we can see that after breaking this structure, the price is slowing down. We have a decisional of the 4-hour here, which this is where the momentum came from to break this high, this low. Sorry, this low is slightly broken, but it's broken, and after this break, it creates a lower high and then the lower low for the 4-hour that was broken. So right now we have basically a also a main push that is on the 4-hour going to get probably close to this decisional. I don't know if we're going to have a big reaction out of this, but it seems like it wants to go there. Probably it wants even to go here. I made some examples on how it could be like here, come down here and then go back there. It can also give a reaction, doesn't give much of a reaction from here, like a smart money trap, goes up and then reacts, goes to this extreme one, to the extreme, daily extreme, for example, and then keeps going up, or it may react from this decisional 4-hour. Anyways, right now we're bullish on the 4-hour. Going to the 1-hour, we can see that we are already bullish as well on the 1-hour. So bullish on the daily, 4-hour, 1-hour, and also going below this, we can see a 1-hour main push on the 15 minutes. Sorry. So this is a high, low, higher high, higher low. They went on to make this higher high. This higher high is now the last high to clear on the 15 minutes. So if it is to expect a break on this, which we have, like we're really bullish, and if it's going from the 15 minutes, it is mostly probable that we are coming on the Asia to this place, probably give some reaction and come back for the extreme to then go up. It doesn't matter, we can react out of this or out of this depending on the lower time frame confirmations. So on the 5 minutes we can see that we also have this main push, so this 15-minute decisional is also the extreme for the 5 minutes, and then we have the extreme for the 15 minutes. Here that is, let me check one thing. Oh yeah, it's a 15-minute, but it's already as we didn't have any fair value gaps here, I went down to the 5 minutes to find the fair value gap that could be at the extreme, which is on the 5 minutes. It's basically a 5 pip stop loss if we put a buy here. But what I'm expecting in the end is to go to this place where I'm expecting a 1 to 40. This is one high of the 15 minutes that already mitigated all the highs that are inside here on the left. So this, for me, it means that being a daily retrace of 50%, although we are bullish on the daily, we will probably have a reaction out of this 4-hour extreme, which is, I would say, probably we'll get to this 50% and react, or even from the fair value gap. So we have to be be protective and understand how to get in on with lower time confirmations, lower time frame confirmations. So I hope this has helped. Just to put the simulation here, I would try to put a limit here. And first target, of course, Asia high, if it comes first for the Asia low. Then there is a structural point here, it can be another target, and this is the last structural point, which is liquidity, to get to the decisional, also the decisional, and finally, at least until we get to the extreme, the 4-hour extreme. It's a 5 pips, so it's a 1 to 30, 1 to 31. It's a possible trade. I hope you enjoyed.